In the mystical land of Monster Hollow, nestled between towering mountains and emerald forests, there lived three peculiar sisters with unique abilities. Their names were One Eye, Two Eyes, and Three Eyes, named lovingly by their father, otherwise known as the Great Monster Elder. One Eye, the eldest, had a single shimmering eye in the middle of her forehead. She could see right through any disguise, no matter how clever. Two Eyes was the middle sister with one eye like humans and another on her palm, allowing her to see two places at once simultaneously. Three Eyes, the youngest, bore a third eye above her forehead which saw into the past, present, and glimpses of the future. As days fluttered merrily by, the sisters played in the meadows, learning the secrets of Monster Hollow, with one problem persistently looming over them. The vanishing of their father, the Great Monster Elder, had mysteriously disappeared one winter's eve, leaving behind a shimmering feather, believed to have belonged to a mystical bird called the Silver Rock, capable of traversing time. Their peaceful existence turned into an adventurous quest. They pooled their unique talents, deciding to unite their skills to solve the mystery and bring their father back. Armed only with their talents and the enigmatic silver feather, they ventured out. One bright morning, guided by the feather's glint under the first rays of dawn, they came across Celestial Glade, where Old Wise, the golden-feathered Silver Rock, dwelled. It was said he held secrets of all times and lands. "O Wise One," bellowed Three Eyes, "our father is missing, and only you might hold the knowledge we seek. Old Wise had one condition: you must solve a riddle that tests true wisdom and family unity. If you succeed, time shall allow your father's return." The riddle was indeed confounding. I cannot be seen but can be heard. I cannot be touched but can be felt. What am I? The sisters pondered deeply. One Eye's insightful gaze unfurled the hidden nature within. They whispered together. Two Eyes nodded as she noticed the world around them changing. "It is the heart," answered Three Eyes, "where love for our father resounds, felt yet unseen." With that, a magical current swirled around them, and their father appeared. His warm eyes brimming with pride and love, restoring laughter and wholeness to the once quiet glade. The tale of One Eye, Two Eyes, and Three Eyes became a cornerstone of Monster Hollow, symbolizing the power of unity and family love. It was told generation after generation, symbolizing the power of unity, the deep bonds of family love, and the wisdom locked within understanding one's heart beyond the simple things seen. From then on, Monster Hollow thrived under their watch, where the most powerful magic wasn't what could be wielded with might, but the love that bound them, felt though unseen. Thus, their adventurous tale became a reminder for all creatures: the heart, though silent, speaks the loudest in the language of love and unity. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories.